Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about why does food spoil? Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about why does food spoil? So have you ever one day, let's say we're hungry, okay, and you decide to go into the fridge and you see some of the food you have inside your fridge just looks weird and smells bad? And that might be because the food has gone rotten, it's spoiled. But why does it spoil? Well, you see, it all has to begin with tiny organisms. For example, bacteria, fungi, and yeast, okay? And mold as well, okay? And all of these tiny organisms, right? They're pretty harmful, but we'll see why they're harmful. So let's say some of these, for example, bacteria got onto our food, okay? So some of them dropped onto our food. The moment they drop onto our food, okay, you see, food is, still food for us and for the bacteria as well, since the food that we eat contains nutrients and energy. Because of that, the bacteria or the whatever tiny organism that's there starts to rapidly grow and multiply, okay? Now basically, the more they multiply and grow, right, they continue to eat the nutrients and they convert it, okay? This process is known as decomposition. So they convert all of this food and release gases and chemicals, okay? Which can cause the following, including bad smell, sour taste, the change in color, and a slimy texture. Now, remember, do not eat any food that looks like that or has some of these causes. Because you see, some of the chemicals can be toxic, okay? And you could accidentally poison yourself. So don't eat any, spoiled food, okay? Now, you see, there are also some ways that food can be spoiled even more. For example, warm temperatures helps the tiny organisms thrive, okay? Moisture helps them grow, and air exposure allows other tiny organisms to enter onto our food. So what can we do to slow down this process? Well, some things we can do is first refrigeration, so you could put our food in the freezer to slow it down, okay? Freeze our food entirely, dry our food, or cook it, okay? So those are some ways we can slow down our food to be spoiled, as refrigerating it basically freezes it, or just freezing it completely stops the bacteria, right? Drying it and cooking it, so that way it removes all the bacteria, okay? Kills it all. And that's basically why does our food spoil. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.